Yo everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Let's just hop right in. About to start trading. Today's Thursday. Damn you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I woke up, I woke up, what's it called? Woke up a little bit late. We just missed out on this like perfect short setup right here, man. That is insanely tough, man. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck. Look here, we have a perfect push below, retest, bam, just boom. Oh man. Oh man, I've been having some trouble sleeping, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What am I even looking at right now? So yeah, this would have been a nice short steak if I'd woken up on time. I'm not gonna lie though, the one thing about this is I would have literally, what's it called? It would have been pretty early on to take this like short, like very early in the market, so you know what I mean? Like I would have basically taken this short like 10 minutes after market open. So yeah, I forgot about tapping to this sort of zone over here. We'll see what happens off this zone. Like we got some pretty strong bearish trend, going on right now. It would be nice if we get some sort of pullback. Just some sort of pullback, so we could have like a better entry on the short. I know it's asking for a lot, but we just get some sort of pullback somewhere around here. Also, this could also be start a reversal. I gotta think, do I want to short all-time highs? Or do I want to try to take this? Do I want to try to take this long? We'll obviously wait and see. I do really like shorts though, I'm not gonna lie. I just want some sort of like pullback so I can get a better entry in on these. You know what I mean? Maybe I just take my shorts here and just, I don't know. I think shorts is kind of like the obvious play though, you know? Let me take shorts. It's not the best entry, obviously. Like, it's not even a really good entry, I'm not gonna lie. Give us a really bad stop loss. Fuck. Yeah, the stop loss is just clapped on this one, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm not gonna lie, this is really not great trading for me, bro. I mean, like we missed this move, right? We're trying to catch the second leg, but that puts our stop loss literally in like the worst position ever. If we do end up actually pulling back and retesting this level one more time, we're just clapped, you know what I mean? So like, it sucks. I wish I was more patient, basically is what I'm saying. I don't know. I think the general idea is kind of there, but yeah, it's just a trade that I'm not super proud of, you know? And I know that I just entered it, but like still, dog, this is just not the habits that I want to build, you know? It's not the habits that I want to be building for my trading. I don't think this is a good trade. That's the problem, right? It's like if I get stopped out, my trade is definitely not invalidated, you know? It's like we could get like just like some random like fat influx of buyers that just boom, take us right back to this, tap into this level one more time, you know what I mean? I don't like this stalling out BS, bro. It's just like a fat move down and I'm out, literally. Just right below low of day, I'm out, literally. Like, was it like 4 or 5 ticks below low of day and we're at TP, man? Not targeting much, just a 1-2-1. It's stalling out, which is what I don't like, of course. Come on, we're right there, dude. Just drop. Dang, guys, dude, my camera cut out right before I freaking hit TP, bro. Literally right before I hit TP, bro. Like, why? Really? And I didn't have time to, like, turn it back on, bro. Literally, like, fucking price was right at TP. I was like, bro, it's like, whatever, bro. But I did catch it on screen recording, so y'all will be able to watch. Let's see. We're just going to do it like this real quick. So, this is a screen recording. This is me hitting TP. Where is it? Bang. So, right here. Fuck. You see? We're edging the low of day, edging low of day. 7:30 opens, boom. Nice little moves it down, 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 down. Where is it at? Where are we gonna hit it? We hit it. Bang. No. Bang. There it is. TP smacked. Nice one. Nice. All right. So that's what happened. I was not. I, honestly, bro. I didn't expect shit to flush like that, bro. What would that have been if we just held 1.69? Nothing crazy. Ended the day up like 384, whatever. Balance sitting just below a grand. All right. October, baby. Up 13.24 in the month so far. That's what I'm talking about, guys. October is where it's at, bro. I'm telling you, October is my best month. I swear. I can take shitty steps like this and I still win, bro. In September, bro, give me the most beautiful A+ setup. I'm gonna find the way to lose it, bro. In October, though, the trends, I swear, the trends are so strong, bro. It's like I take the worst setup ever and bang, I still win, bro. Let me not say that because I'm about to go on probably a diabolical losing streak now that I said that, but let's be real, man. The whole point of today's video is this was not a good trade, not something to really be proud of, right? Obviously, we missed out on this beautiful setup, right? Because I was fucking sleeping. I was asleep, bruh. Not good, right? Very bad. I slept in almost 30 minutes, bro. Because I had trouble falling asleep last night. It is what it is, man. It's whatever, bro. I didn't fucking wake up on time, bro. Fuck me, right? Like, that sucks. But what happened, man? Why is this a bad setup? Well, because for a good setup, the stop loss would have to be somewhere like here, bro, or like here. You know what I mean? Or even here, bro. Like right above this high here. Why is this bad? Well, our stop loss is below the freaking level, man. So, like I said, like I don't know if I'm gonna use the clips or not when I'm editing this, but I was trying to say, like, when I entered the trade, I was like, bro, if we retest this level, we ever retest this level, we get stopped out. That doesn't invalidate the trade, right? It doesn't invalidate it, you know? And yeah, I just got lucky, dude. I got lucky that we decided to, our pullback decided to just be this chop instead of like a bam, fat ass fucking green candles for my stop loss. You know what I mean? So we gotta keep that in mind, man. This was not a good trade, bad trade. You know what I mean? Yes, we got to break below. Whatever, we missed out on the first leg, so we're literally just catching the second leg. You know, it's not good. It is not good. It worked out, which is cool. I think the trend for today was very obvious, very strong. You feel me? But what's it called? I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, man. It's a bad trade. Let's take the lesson for today being this was not a good trade. We still won. Let's take our blessing, but let's make sure we don't pull some shit like this again. You know what I mean? We got lucky that we didn't get stopped out because our stop loss was literally in a random spot, right? Now maybe an ICT trader would come in over here, flip over to the 1 minute time frame over here, you know what I'm saying? Talk about fair value gap, woo, fair value gap, and then say this was a good trade, you know what I mean? But I'm not the ICT trader, so what's it called? So yeah, I'm not an ICT trader, so that doesn't apply to me, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? My idea was to create this supply, move off of it. I missed the first leg. I catch the second leg. Honestly, this area, I need to get rid of it. This is old. It's already been broken through both directions multiple times, so I should probably get rid of this area on the 4 hour. But yeah, I think that's all I got, guys. It's cool that we won. I'm probably going to sit out tomorrow. I'm going to lock the week in here. $500 green week after a $400 green week. Pretty solid start, you know, up 13.24 on the month so far. On fucking evals, bro. It's on evals, so it doesn't matter. Like, this is nothing, bro. It's on evals. Why could I not have just gone through last month, bro? It would be 2 fundeds, and I would have definitely passed that 30 eval. I would be 3 funded accounts, bro. 3 fundeds if I had just gotten through September without crashing out and blowing my accounts all in one day, man. Oh, man, that's gonna eat at me, bro. That's gonna eat at me, man. I would be up. I'd be up. Even if I wasn't trading with the E-minis, bro, I'd still be up. Fuck. Why? Why did I have to pull this shit, man? On evals, it doesn't matter. It's fucking evals, bro. Like, they're freaking evals. This $1,324 is nothing, bro. It's not real money until I pass the evals, you know what I mean? Fuck. Man. Alright. That's a little tangent, bro, because I'm still pissed off I blew all my accounts, bro. Like, 3 accounts in 1 day, bro? in one day, bro. Like I haven't had a crash out like that since I started training Top Step, bro. Legitimately, since I started training Top Step, bro. I can't freaking talk. But yeah, win rate for the month so far, only 55% win rate. Interesting. I thought it would be higher. That's because we took, let's see, we took 2 losses here. Okay, and then this fucker counted, yeah, because this fucking day here where it says I took 2 trades because Top Step double filled me. I had to get out of one contract at a loss. So I guess the win rate is a little bit skewed, but because of this. But it's whatever, bro. Up 13.24 in the month so far is pretty solid. And yeah, man, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I hope you guys traded well today. You know, like I said, the main takeaway of the video, this was not a good setup. We still won. We're going to take our blessing. We're going to try and make sure that some shit like this doesn't happen again. So, yeah, guys, all of you said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully, you all trade well today. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.